welcome to Wymondham Railway Station in Norfolk, I think. Oh, it's on 0.5. Hope you are doing well. It's a very nice station actually. It feels very old. It feels untouched from sort of a long time ago. Lovely benches, an old gas lamp there, which is completely untouched. That's very cool. Big plant pot here. There is a tanning lounge on the platform in case you want a nice suntan while you wait for your train. And yeah, it's unique, I suppose. There's a little goods yard over here, which my guess is as good as yours, but I don't think this gets used ever. But you know, such is life. There's a kind of a bit of the platform over there. It's just kind of just been separated from the rest of the platform. Just quite sad. But yeah, this station is very lovely. I was not expecting it to be this nice. Need to be cautious for time because I am now walking to Spooner Row. It's a very long walk, but I don't want to get to Spooner Row when it's dark. I want to video it in the daytime. But yeah, we'll go over the other side, show you that. And yeah, over the footbridge. And there's that goods yard. Not sure if them points still work. Maybe they do. Maybe they do. There's a view of the station from a footbridge. Can't actually see what you can see because the sun's in my way. There you go. Down here leading to platform 1, the Norwich bound platform. Down halfway onto the ramp. It's got a weird touch. And down there is the Norfolk Heritage Railway, I believe. But yeah. Route map. A water pump there. Wow. Imagine it doesn't work anymore, but it looks very good. Nice that they've kept old things like that. An old clock up here, which is not right, but you know. Also another one of these old gas lamps here, and a massive plant pot, and an old-fashioned luggage rack. Carrier. Very cool. It's a restaurant or cafe of some sort here for the station. In the old station ticket office. Yeah, it does look very nice. Now I'll show you the outside of the station here. And then I shall end the video, unless something is coming through in the next sort of 10 minutes. It's a semaphore signal there, and a man riding some scary looking animal. Very nice. Central Trains. That's old. There's a ticket machine here. Card only. There's the old station building and the car park. It's a rather large car park for this station. And then yeah, the old station building looks very nice. Also features Thomas over here. I'm not quite sure why. Thomas is over here. We don't say hi to Thomas before we head off. Now, here is Thomas. Now, and on that note, I thank you very much for watching this video here at Wymondham. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video. It's bye bye for now from me. Cheers guys.